Ian Johnson, Truck Hero, once again with Mike Morris from Superlift Suspension. Now, obviously, we've been talking about this a lot. The vehicle that's all over SEMA is the Jeep Gladiator. Yeah. And you guys have one here with a suspension system on it. This is a prototype, right?
It's prototype, but it is approved for production.
And everyone wants to know who hasn't laid their hands on one of these trucks. There's the question, is it a Jeep? Is it a truck? What is it? So like, what is the difference between the suspension on one of these versus an actual JL?
Okay, so on the Jeep JT, picture the front, everything JL. Picture the rear, suspension-wise, more like the 1500 Ram.
So like it's like an actual truck in the back?
Yeah, same suspension setup, same 4-link track bar setup as a half-ton Ram.
So so just like I've said so far, it's a Jeep truck. That suspension thing kind of proves that. It's going to have the good performing suspension that you expect from a Jeep up front, right, and a work suspension in the back in case you want to use it like a pickup truck.
I guess the good question there is, how's the customer going to buy it? Is he buying it for a truck or is he buying it for a Jeep? So we're looking at two different options. We're looking at a coil spring that's more Jeep related, nice, soft, long travel, or something a little bit more firm that's more utility.
So you'll have basically like an off-road suspension or like a towing suspension type of thing.
Best way to put it.
Yeah. What about tire fitment? Is this similar to a Jeep? Like what size is this lift and what size tires have we got on it?
Yeah, so just like the Jeep, we're going to do the 2.5 and the 4-inch version of it with same concept. 35 is kind of your target tire for the 2.5, and then a 37 to a 40, depending on how you outfit it, for the 4-inch. This particular one is outfitted with a 4-inch kit with a Fox 2.0 shock.
And what size tires on this one?
This has got a 39, actually.
39, so it's like right in that middle.
That's right.
That's perfect. So there you go. The secret side of the bag. The Gladiator is officially half Jeep, half truck. For more information on any type of suspension available, you can check it out at superlift.com.